Hi, this is Marty again from the Dougherty Garden. Today we're looking at the yucca tree. I commonly refer to this as the sword of Christ because apparently that's how I first was introduced to it, that it was the sword of Christ, because basically it looks like a sword, and the points, when they get plant gets nice and healthy, literally can go right through your finger. But right now this is a young little baby, and let me just show you Mama. I took that from, not a cutting, but basically a piece from the storm broke off. And I have several variations of this, but let me just show you one here quick. And there it is right there. See, right next to the solitaire with the red seeds, to the left is a yucca tree, commonly referred to by Marty as the sword of Christ. And apparently so, because when it grows like that, it gets huge. And over the course of a period of time, I think it's once a year, it flowers, and you get these pretty white flowers at the very top of the canopy, and that's what it looked like over there. So that is the yucca tree in the Dougherty Garden. Thank you for stopping by. If you have any questions, but let me just take a look at it. It's fairly easy to prune when it's close by. The leaves tend to brown off as they get older. Like I said, I've been a little tardy with my maintenance at the time, and I normally would go over there and pull those brown ones off. Most of them, give it a nice pull, it will come off. We get, and we eventually will prune it, but right now that's going to be a winter project. So like I said, this is the yucca tree, or the sword of Christ, as it's commonly referred to in the Dougherty Garden. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel when you get a chance. Thank you. Any questions? Any questions on anything? Just, we're here, all ears. Thank you. Bye-bye.